welcome to another Thrillridesphotography vlog, and we are starting the season, 2023 season, here at Alton Towers.
Yeah!
Woo! Finally getting through the entrance. Very long wait there. Just the actual processes of getting through the entrance at the moment is just shocking, really. Yeah, we are finally through. Dan?
We was here at 9:30, it's now 10:30.
Wow, an hour just to get in. Crazy.
Yeah. But it's good to be back in a theme park.
We are back in a theme park, Dan.
I know, mate.
For the 2023 season, and we, yeah, looking forward to it. We're not alone today. We've actually got the family with us. We've got, first of all, Harry. Woo!
Hello, Harry.
Look at him, little cutie.
Yeah.
Georgia's here. Hi, Georgia.
Georgia.
She's Georgia today.
We
got Jake.
Hey.
Holly.
Hi.
We got Bex. And we got Emma, the birthday girl. Hi, Emma. You okay?
Yep.
Woo! So yes. Right. So the first ride of the day is, so when we've gone to theme parks before, Holly is unfortunately too scared to go on rides. But on our fridge at home, we have magnets for people that, you know, the kids that go on the rides.
The Wall of Fame.
The Wall of Fame for rides. And she's only actually got one magnet on there from Vampire. So she's actually committed today to go on Wicker Man, even though she doesn't like rides, just to get a magnet of her on a ride so she can make herself 2-0 there on the magnets. Jake's got 6. Emma's got 5, 1. So we're going to try and get that up today. Might even get 2 in there with 13 and Wicker Man.
How many magnets have you got on there?
Oh, I'm on in every one.
Yeah.
I'm on every one of them. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. We're going to go. I know people say to join the queues and go to the back of the park, but we'll actually go to the front and get straight onto Wicker Man. And yeah, we're looking forward to it. Holly's going to be riding with me, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting back on a roller coaster. And Jake, looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dan?
Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I mean, we've got the little one with us, so we're gonna like try and pass him over, because they don't do parent swap here anymore. So what we're gonna try and do is keep him on us in the baby carrier. Then when we get to the train, one of us will ride, and then we'll swap him over. And it's the only way you can really do it here now.
Yeah. But yeah, or harness him in, yes.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, looking forward to it. Finally getting back on roller coasters for the 2023 season, and it's going to be a great one. Here we go, it's time. We can hear, finally, the Wicker Man. Are you ready to ride your first true wooden coaster and one of your biggest coasters you've been on?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Are you going to get your hands up?
Maybe.
Maybe. Woo. So yeah, we're going to try and get a great picture of you on here to get on the Wall of Fame fridge, aren't you?
I'm going to be like...
What's the face again? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Looking forward to it?
Yeah, the last time I came, I went... well, I was like just over, but I was too scared to
You were too scared to go on, it wasn't you?
Yeah, but that was like instantly.
So first time on it for you as well?
Yeah, but I'm not scared.
You're not scared? And Jay?
Hello?
Looking forward to it?
Yes.
Great. But yeah, Emma's tall enough for the spoiler today. We might be doing that, hopefully, if it is quiet and we can get on it later, yeah? We'll see. But here we go, it's time for the Wicker Man. It was finally great to get back on the Wicker Man there, and actually quite a smooth ride. managed to get the first rows there, and yeah, really enjoyed it getting on there, and also great to see the pre-show back up and running as well. So yeah, great experience. Going to find out now what the kids thought of it, because that's one of the main things there. Holly getting on it for the first time, Emma getting on it for the first time, and Jake seeing the pre-show for the first time. So let's find out. Emma, how was the Wicker Man?
Yeah, it was very good, but we went front row, so we got absolutely soaked, and it was freezing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, you enjoyed the ride?
Yeah.
Good, good. Holly, we'll insert the photo of you on the ride, but how was it?
Terrifying.
Yeah, terrifying, but you did it. And you kind of got one hand up, yeah, as you snuggled into me.
But, yeah.
Are you, yeah, but you enjoyed it, obviously finally got on it. Big ride for you, wasn't it? So well done for doing it, and you'll get your photo on the Fridge of Fame, won't you? Jake, was it nice to get on the, see the pre-show and get on Wicker Man again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice to see the pre-show for the first time. It's the first time you've seen it in real life, isn't it?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah? Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I did. Really enjoyed it.
Good, good, good. Yeah. Everyone seems to enjoy it. Bex, did you enjoy it?
Yeah. Like that.
Dan, you didn't go on it holding Harry there, being dad of the day. Well done, mate.
My impression of Alton Towers is probably the best out of the video. Kids Day today.
Georgina,
really enjoyed
you
it,
enjoy
yeah.
that?
Did, yeah.
Yeah, brilliant. Front row there, took the spot from the kids to get But yeah, that's a great ride there. Where are we going to head over to there then?
13.
13? Let's go and do it. After a 3-hour wait there, we finally got on 13 and Dan's first ride of the day.
Yes, it's now
3 o'clock.
and we've done one ride.
Yeah, well,
Shambles.
you've done one, I've done 2 rides in that time. But yeah, it's just literally just pouring down. That's not the reason why though, it was
just so busy.
Just so busy really.
Even people in the station are, going to guest services and complaining, saying that they're just not on anything today.
No, it is just still a learning
really
curve.
Worrying as well, if it's like this now, what's it going to be like in the summer holidays? We're not even at Easter holidays yet.
Yeah.
Nemesis is shut, Spinball's shut. The new ride, the Curse, it's been down most of the day.
Yeah.
There's not enough capacity in the park to deal with the numbers they're letting in.
Yeah.
It's like getting some fairground rides in. That's not gonna.
No, it's not going to eat anything up at all, is it? So, but yeah, in terms of 13, quite a little fun little ride
Yeah, it's
there.
good for the family.
It's not worth 3-hour wait, 100%. But yeah,
In the rain as well.
Yeah, it advertised at 60, and that's why we went into the queue. So to get it at 3 hours is a little bit of a joke, isn't it? So
yeah, miles out.
But we're going to literally try and get over to the Curse of Alton Manor. It has been literally down for the majority of the day. It comes up for like a little bit and then goes back down again. So we'll see. Yeah, we need to get over there to go and try it. But Jake, how was 13?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you enjoy that? Front row for you. I think the first time, wasn't it? First front row on that.
Yeah, first time front row.
Yeah. And you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Your face told the picture, I have to say.
Yep.
Was that the face you were going for?
Yeah.
It was. The non-enjoyment face of waiting 3 hours for a ride.
Yeah. But that's the thing, we like to be as open and transparent as we can be. They're not going to come in and say, "Oh, we've had a great day," if we're not having a great day, and it's been poor.
Yeah.
So we're lucky that we've got a very discounted ticket price today because of the blue light day we was on was cancelled because of the snow.
Yeah.
But if you'd paid 60-70 quid on the gate price to ride 1 or 2 roller coasters today, you'd be fuming.
Yeah.
Absolutely fuming.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, just for us alone, so we started off yesterday, took us nearly 8 hours to get to our hotel yesterday. Obviously that's not the park's fault. We then stay in a hotel, then we then come here only to go on 2 rides. It's just not what you expect from a UK theme park. So yeah, I think it will hopefully get better over time. They just need to work things out, but there's just not enough. I mean, Sky Ride's not even open, monorail not even open. As a first impression, walking from the car park to literally the park entrance, there's not even a walkway on some of the places as well that people are walking through. It's just little bits that they need to kind of just tone a little bit and get better before it is the UK's best theme park again, in my opinion.
This is nowhere near for me.
Yeah.
We was here at 9:30 this morning. It took us an hour
to get in.
Yeah, just to get into the theme park, an hour.
Crazy, really is.
It put a lot of people off coming. It really will.
Yeah, definitely.
Sad to see, really.
Yeah, I think for me it'll be a long time till I come back, unless something really massively changes or it is like a weekday or something. But we're going to carry on our day. We're hopefully going to get on the Curse of Alton Manor and give you a review of that. But yeah, other than that, Jake, you ready to go and ride some David Williams rides?
Yeah.
And get the family together again?
Yeah.
Let's go. The Curse of Alton Manor closed. Unfortunately, we have decided to get back on the Wicker Man for our last ride of the day, making it a grand total of 3 rides for today. But yeah, obviously there is other rides available, but because we've got Harry with us, we're not allowed to be in a ride area or queue line with a baby, even without a pushchair strapped to someone. That is obviously changing. Depends on what ride that you go on to. So like certain places allow it, some don't, which is just crazy. So yeah, we're going to end our day here on the Wicker Man. Actually one of the great rides, to be fair, here, and it's great to get back on it. But yeah, this is going to be our 3rd ride of the day with a 40-minute queue. You did go on 13, and how was it?
I know, yeah, it was really good, but I was terrified, like the whole time.
I don't understand why you were so terrified.
Because you kept telling me, oh, there's a drop on it, there's a drop on it, and then nobody would tell me anything until I got really upset and Mum told me everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's okay. We went second to front row.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Dan's second day. Second ride, sorry, of the day.
It feels like it, doesn't it? Second day.
Ride of the day for you, mate.
Ride, and
first in a Wicker Man for the price of a ticket.
5 to 4.
Not bad.
We'll do a big wrap up at the end, but
yeah, no problem.
Great.
Let's get on the Wicker Man. 40-minute wait. So there we go. After a 50-minute wait there, we finally got back on the Wicker Man, and I have to say it was a great ride there. Really good moments of airtime, which is great. Something that I've probably not felt before going round. We was in row 4, and yeah, it was a fun ride for us actually. Really enjoyed it. Emma seems to have taken to the ride and actually really enjoys it now, which is great. And Jake still cements probably one of his favourite rides in the park. But I'll see what they say now about that. So Jake, how was it?
Great.
Did you enjoy that?
Yep.
Yeah, you've backwards riding halfway round, wasn't you, looking around?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, and what have you got?
I have got a new bag.
Yay! A new school bag for you, showing off the Wicker Man, yeah?
Yep.
But other than that, had a good day?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Emma, how was the Wicker Man?
No, yeah, it was good.
You enjoy that?
It was a lot faster than it was last time, I thought.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Good moments of airtime in there, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. Becky, enjoyed the day?
Yeah, it's been okay.
Yeah.
It's ended more on a high than it began.
Yeah. Weather's got a bit better. Holly,
Yeah.
been a champion today, haven't you? You got on the most rides out of anybody, which is a maximum of how many rides did you get on in the end? You got on the cars one
About
as well
6.
there. About 6 rides in the end, so you are
I
the
got
winner
4.
of today's ride-a-thon with 6 rides. Becky's got on 4 rides, Jake's got on 3 rides, and Emma's got on 4?
Yeah, Wicker Man 13, Wicker Man.
3.
That's 3, Emma, well done. Year 6, she's going into secondary school.
And the twister.
Oh,
Sure,
the
and the twister, yeah. So me and Jay got on the least with 3 rides in an 8-hour day at a theme park.
Dan won.
Dan's won with only 2 rides today. But yeah, not the greatest of days to be fair, but
We was all together.
we were all together and enjoyed the day. So, and we used our annual pass, me and Jake, for the first time in a year. But yeah, you know, it's not great. The Curse of Alton Manor being closed today after all that marketing and money they spent on there to have it closed continuously throughout the day today.
Someone in the queue
Is not
said
good.
It was open an hour all day.
Yeah, well, it's just not good enough. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch your ass down the road. Bye.
Bye.